Happy February, Owls! It's Sam, your school counselor, and I know we're already halfway through the month, but we have it jam-packed with events, information, and workshops that I want to make sure you know about. For the month of February, we are celebrating Black History Month and the events that are happening across the country. Check us out on Instagram by following us at OFYSJ Owls to check out what's going on. Tennessee State University is coming to OFY, virtually of course. This HBCU is doing a virtual event this Friday on February 19th at 9 a.m. to share all the amazing things that the campus has to offer. Make sure you RSVP using the email you received. Feel free to reach out to me in order to reserve your spot to learn more about TSU. The Black College Expo is coming to the West Coast. This event, happening over 2 days, is a chance for students to check out different Black colleges and potentially get offered admissions on the spot. OFY students attended this event in person last year, and we had students get offered admissions, fee waivers for applications, and scholarships. Remember, the Black colleges accepted all students, so this is your chance to check out different college systems to see what is out there. Just ask your teacher or counselor for a copy of your most recent transcript. There are a ton of virtual events happening throughout the month of February to celebrate Black History Month. If you are interested in diving deeper into the history of Black history and culture, check out these events and more. Check out the African American History Museum located in Washington, D.C. to register for a ton of free virtual events. More information and registration links were sent to all student emails, so make sure to let us know if you didn't get it. This month, the Future Friday theme is professionalism. Each Friday, you should receive an email that revolves around the idea of professionalism and how to successfully build a resume, job search, and have an amazing interview. We know a lot of you are looking for jobs or excited to be able to apply for the first time. Professionalism starts right now with showing up to your school appointments and turning in your work by your teacher's deadlines. Understanding how to show professionalism in all aspects of your life will take you far in life and set you up to have a successful career in whatever you decide to do. If you are not getting our Future Friday emails, please let us know. Remember, the deadline to turn in your FAFSA or DREAM Act application for the 2021-2022 school year is March 2nd. You need this application submitted for 2 years free tuition programs, also called Promise programs, at the community college. Students that applied to four-year universities must, and I repeat must, submit no later than March 2nd to be given any eligible financial aid. Seniors and juniors that plan to be done this school year, meet with me ASAP to take care of this. You should have received an email with an extensive list of financial aid workshops happening virtually at different campuses. Make sure to sign up for those if you need help filling out your application. We are officially in 2021. Here is a list of some important dates for the new semester. Remember that the spring semester tends to fly by, and it's important to finish out the semester strong. For all you seniors, we have an official graduation deadline of April 20th. Make sure to talk to me if you plan on graduating this semester. Students, make sure to check in with me so I can help you. You can book an appointment, email me, call me, or even text me. I'm always here.